Welcome to ILL Deflection for Electronic Resources. In this video, you will learn how to set ILL terms for your electronic resources, including your ebook collections, articles, and databases. You will learn how to activate your knowledge base collections for enhanced ILL, and how to create deflection policies for your knowledge base collections. Why would you set up deflection for your electronic resources? If your library doesn't supply electronic resources through ILL, and you don't set up deflection for those items, borrowing libraries will be able to send ILL requests for those items to your library. Then when you log into your OCLC Interlibrary Loan service, you will see on the home page under your Can You Supply queue that you have some ILL requests. When you click that, you see that your library has received ILL requests for electronic items. In this example, an article and ebook. Well, in this case, your library staff will have to open those requests and manually answer no to them. Setting up deflections for your electronic resources will stop those ILL requests from arriving at your library, and your staff won't have to go through this manual process. The system will automatically skip your library for those requests. If your library maintains electronic collections through the knowledge base, using Collection Manager, you can set e-license terms related to interlibrary loan per collection. This level of detail allows deflection to be applied based on licensing terms. First, add your collections to the knowledge base from Collection Manager, which is included with your full cataloging subscription. This work is generally managed by your electronic resources librarian. ILL staff should work with them to fine-tune how best to respond to ILL requests in these collections. Next, depending on the subscription services your library has, you can manage ILL terms of usage or e-license terms within Collection Manager, or using an added service, WorldCat License Manager, if your library subscribes to this service. Using service configuration, turn on knowledge base settings in the WorldCat ILL configuration to activate a link to your knowledge base collections for enhanced interlibrary loan of articles, including display of ILL terms of use within the WorldCat ILL request form. Finally, to have the system automatically say no to requests for titles within your knowledge base collections which do not allow resource sharing, set a deflection policy in the OCLC Policies directory. To add a collection to your knowledge base, first search for the collection within Collection Manager under the Metadata tab. Once the collection is identified, select the collection to add it. After the collection is added, you can further configure the settings. Training sessions, videos, and documentation are available for Collection Manager. If your library has a full cataloging subscription, you have access to use Collection Manager. See the link on the description of this video. This slide illustrates that there are two methods of setting ILL terms of use on your collections. Collection Manager is on the left, and License Manager is on the right. Both services run on the WorldCat platform. If you have collections that cannot be shared through ILL, indicate this restriction in the ILL terms of use. Since some licenses forbid sharing, it will save staff time and potential license violations by setting up a deflection policy based on e-license terms. If you have a subscription to License Manager, you will manage your ILL rights within that tool. Those rights can be accessed by your Interlibrary Loan service to determine if a request can or cannot be filled through knowledge base collection settings. Find the link to the video about deflection policies in License Manager on the description of this video. The next step is to activate your knowledge base for enhanced ILL in OCLC service configuration. The best way to access the OCLC service configuration is by clicking the respective link on your OCLC Interlibrary Loan service homepage. From there, click WorldCat ILL. Then Interlibrary Loan options. After you have collections set in the knowledge base, activate a link to these collections from the ILL request form. This enables ILL staff to see what requests may be fulfilled from a knowledge base collection. Any ILL rights set will display indicating special terms of use, if applicable. For example, one license may allow ILL within the same country, and if shared through a secure site such as Article Exchange. Then you create your deflection policies in OCLC Policies directory. By clicking the respective link you find on your OCLC Interlibrary Loan Service homepage. You create your e-license deflection form in OCLC Policies directory under the Policies tab. This example illustrates how you should fill out your e-license deflection form. To create your deflection policy, click the Add button located on the right. A form like this opens for you to enter the name of your policy, the request type, copy, loan, or both, and deflection type. Enable real-time deflection to deflect all the time, or enable real-time deflection except when last in the lender string. Then scroll down to the e-license terms section to select Include, and select No. Add any notes you find useful, then save it. If the terms are set to No, the system will automatically deflect requests for titles or articles within those collections. Reviewing the steps. Once your collections are added to the knowledge base and ILL terms established, you can activate the link to your knowledge base collections within WorldShare ILL. Then to save staff time and automatically follow license terms, create a deflection policy based on e-license terms. Contact OCLC support in your region and find more training materials and documentation at help.oclc.org. Thanks for watching.